An officer responded to a Walmart parking lot after store employees reported a woman refusing to leave the property. Bodycam footage showed officers informing her that management had officially trespassed her from the location and warned that returning to the property could lead to arrest. Despite multiple explanations from officers and employees, the discussion continued as the woman repeatedly questioned the process and asked for paperwork related to the trespass notice. As the conversation went on, officers continued encouraging her to leave the property peacefully before the situation escalated further.
What are you talking about? So you mean to tell me
just said you trespassed.
Walmart and spend my money?
You cannot.
Yes, I can. You don't have paperwork.
Then come back and see what happens.
I have appointments.
Come back and see what happens. You have a good day. You're trespassed.
So
You come back.
What do about my scheduled appointment?
There's other
Walmarts. You come back, you go to jail.
I am not trespassed. Where's my paperwork?
It's on body camera.
Give me my paperwork for my trespass.
There's no paperwork. You come back, you go to jail.
Where is my paperwork? You're not gonna send me to jail. No. Hold on, wait. Trespass me right now. Here's my ID.
After several more warnings, officers advised the woman that remaining on the property could result in charges connected to trespassing after warning. Bodycam footage later showed the woman continuing to question officers while asking for badge information and clarification about the situation. Officers repeatedly instructed her to leave the area while store employees confirmed they wanted her removed from the property. The exchange continued for several minutes as officers attempted to end the incident without further escalation.
Oscar,
Trespass me from
868.
here. I need
Could you
paperwork
put me
for
on
that.
22?
I need paperwork for that. I need paperwork. You're not gonna take me to
Yeah,
jail.
you can send me a 45.
I'm gonna sue your ass.
All right, now you're gonna go to jail. You
No,
don't.
you're
Hey,
not.
you don't leave. You're gonna go to
I'm
jail.
gonna trespass
I do not
me.
care.
You have paperwork.
You are
I need
trespassed.
paperwork for my.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail. You're trespassed.
You want me to be trespassed here, sir?
He already said it. You're
And I
trespassed.
need paperwork for that.
You get no paperwork.
Yes, I do get paperwork for
Listen,
that.
you guys want to press charges?
No,
If you
want
don't,
me to you want me to get trespassed?
let
I
her know
need
she's
paperwork for that.
trespassed. If you don't
Right?
leave, you're gonna go to
You
jail.
are trespassed from this Walmart. If you do not leave, you're going to go to jail.
I need paperwork.
You don't need paperwork.
Yes, I do need
It's
paperwork.
on here.
I need paperwork
Ma'am,
for trespassing.
you are gonna go to jail.
I'm not being belligerent. I'm not being
Okay.
violent.
We're done.
I need paperwork
We're
for my
done.
trespassing.
You're gonna go to jail.
You're not finna arrest
You
me.
guys wanna you guys wanna press charges?
She's refusing to leave and she's
Hell,
trespassed.
I'm
So
not
you do,
refusing to leave.
then leave now or you go to
I'm
jail.
Suing. I'm suing.
Then sue. Leave or you go to jail
I'm
now.
suing you. I'm suing
You can sue me
y'all.
all day.
I
You
am
come
suing
back, I
you.
take you to jail.
What's your badge number?
35206.
Can you write it down so I
No.
can have it?
Leave.
No, I need your information.
The situation eventually changed after officers instructed the woman to step out of the vehicle. Bodycam footage showed officers attempting to place her into custody while continuing to give verbal instructions throughout the encounter. The woman continued arguing with officers and repeatedly stated she believed the arrest was unfair. As officers worked to secure the scene, they continued explaining that she had been warned multiple times to leave the property before the arrest took place.
I have the right to ask you
Officer
for your
Joseph,
Can I-
35206.
for your
You will not get a card.
Officer Joseph?
Yes, you
Okay.
35206.
Hold on, let me write it down. Let me
Ma'am,
write it down.
this is the last one I'm gonna give you.
Give me your badge
Leave
number.
right now or you go to
No,
jail.
what's your badge number?
Get out the car.
Sir.
Get out the car.
I have the right to ask you for your badge.
You're under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. Don't touch me. You don't touch me.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
You are going to jail.
Sir, I just asked you for your badge number.
You're going to jail.
All I needed was your badge
I'm gonna need
number.
a statement. I'm gonna need a statement. You're going to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. For asking you for your badge number?
You're going to jail.
For asking you for your badge number?
Get out of the car.
No, give me my keys. Give me my keys.
You just earned your ticket to
Give me
jail.
my keys. No,
Ma'am, I'm gonna pepper spray you.
don't pepper.
You're
I
under
don't-
arrest.
You can't do
Stop
this to
it.
a woman.
You're-
You cannot do
Hey.
this to a woman.
You under
You
arrest.
cannot
Get
do-
out of the car.
You cannot do this to
Get
a woman.
out of the car.
You cannot do this to a woman, sir. You can give me my key. You cannot do this to a woman. You
You're
cannot
under
do
arrest.
it.
Stop. You're
Sir,
under arrest.
You cannot
Stop
do
it.
To a, I'm
Hey,
not doing anything.
I'm gonna charge you with resisting.
I am not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am not. I'm going
Put
to
your hands
sue you.
behind your back.
Officer Joseph.
Put your hands behind your
Only
back.
thing I did was ask you for your badge number.
Can you
Only
calm
thing
down?
I did was ask you for your badge
Put
number.
your hands behind your back.
The only thing I've asked you for your badge number. That's all I asked you for.
You're going to jail.
Only thing I've asked you was,
So,
what are you looking for? I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, the only thing I've asked you for is your badge number.
I'm gonna charge you with resisting.
I am not resisting you.
Stop.
I am not resisting you. You're on camera. Are you serious? Are you serious? I have to go to work.
Stop moving.
I am not moving. Why are you pretending?
You're going to jail.
Why are you pretending?
You're going to jail for resisting
I'm
and for
not
trespass
going to
after
jail.
warning.
Where is another officer? Call another officer to the scene. You are lying. You are out of line. You are completely out of line, Officer Joseph. Only thing I did was ask you for your badge number. Are you serious right now? The only thing I've asked you is for your badge number. Why are you doing all this to me like I'm resisting your arrest? Why are you yanking on me, pulling all on me? You're not supposed to do this to a woman.
You are going to jail.
You are not supposed to do this to a woman.
You're going to jail.
You're not supposed to
I
do this
gave you multiple warnings.
You didn't give me
They
multiple
give you warnings.
Why are you hurting me?
Stop
Why
moving.
are you hurting me?
Stop moving.
I'm
Relax.
not moving.
Stop.
Why are you hurting me? You know I'm not moving.
I'm done talking.
You know
You're going
damn
to
well
jail.
I'm not moving. Why are you hurting
You're
me?
going to jail.
Why are you hurting
Where's
me?
your ID?
I just tried to give it to you for you to trespass me, remember? Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? You know I'm not, I just tried to give you my ID, dude.
It's too late for that. It's too late
not
for that.
too late for that.
You're going to jail.
You have a whole dash camera on. I just asked you for your information. Give me my keys to my vehicle.
You're going.
Give me
Listen.
my
You
belongings.
want me to drag you?
My belongings and my keys to my vehicle. My belongings and my keys to my vehicle. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now, dude? I have the right to ask you for your badge number.
I give
have
you
the
my
right
badge
to copy
number.
that information.
I give you my badge
I
number.
did not write it down. I did not write it down, sir. I was trying to log it in my phone, sir. Why are you yanking me around like this? Why are you yanking me around like this? I am going to sue you, Joseph. I am going to sue you on my word. I promise you on all
You
five
can sue
of my
me all you want. I don't give a damn.
Sir, I am going to sue you.
You are going to jail right now.
For no reason. For no reason. I am going to jail for no reason. Can you stop pulling me like I'm a criminal?
You are a criminal.
No, I am not a
You've been
criminal.
trespassed. You didn't listen.
No, I
you're going
am
to
not
jail.
trespassed. You did not give me any paperwork.
Hey, can
Sir.
one of you guys get me a statement?
Listen,
So you
I
put
did
on
not do
statement?
anything to this officer.
Yeah.
The only thing I did was ask him for his badge number, and he yanked me out of my vehicle.
You are going to jail for
And
trespass after warning.
I am going to
And
jail for
resisting
sitting
an
in my
officer.
vehicle. I am going to jail for sitting in my vehicle. Sir, I have not been trespassed after warning.
After the situation was under control, officers spoke with a Walmart employee about what happened before police arrived. According to the employee, staff members had asked the woman several times to leave the parking lot earlier in the day. The employee explained that management eventually decided to trespass her from the property after the situation continued. Bodycam footage later showed employees describing repeated attempts to resolve the issue before requesting police assistance.
Just relax.
Are you serious?
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Are y'all serious?
Spread your feet.
Ma'am, spread your feet.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I have not done anything. He just yanked me out of my vehicle.
I'm searching you right now. I'm
have
searching you right now. Do you have anything on you?
I'm going to sue
Do you have a? You can sue me all you want.
I am going to sue you. He had just harassed me. He just pulled me and yanking me around. I am not resisting arrest at all. Why am I being arrested?
But you got the warning process.
Get in the car.
Get
in the car.
Y'all cannot do this to a woman.
Officers then interviewed the Walmart employee to uncover what led to the incident.
So, I was off last week, but yesterday when I came in, my store manager advised me that she's been like loitering in the parking lot, coming in to use our bathroom to like shower and stuff. So yesterday I made contact with her. She was super rude and nasty to me. She's like, "Why are you talking to me? It's my job." So she was super short with me. I advised her, "Hey, you can't loiter here. You're not allowed to." So today, as I'm kicking everyone out like I always do when I work in the morning, I see her car. So he's working off duty. I'm like, "Hey, you mind coming over there? Help me out, just verbally trespass her, get her out of here."
As the incident came to an end, Officers secured the scene while continuing to speak with the woman near the patrol vehicle. Bodycam footage showed officers explaining the next steps of the process while Walmart employees returned to normal store operations in the parking lot. Police later confirmed the incident resulted in charges connected to trespassing and resisting an officer.
Over super nasty right away with him, cursing at him, calling him names and everything, and then she just wouldn't leave. Like, told her like 100 times, she's like, hurry up and just leave. And then she just kept running her mouth, cursing everything. He's like, if you don't leave, you're going to jail. And she's disrupting the business out of the parking lot. We got an event going on, so if she's refusing to leave, yeah, we'll press charges. And then she didn't want to get out of the car. She was resisting him and everything, was fighting with him. So,
There you go.
did it to herself.
Exactly.
Yanking all over me like I'm violent. Really? Because I was sleeping in my shit.
We're gonna
All
swap.
this
We're
shit
gonna
is
swap
uncalled
handcuffs.
for.
Okay, spread your feet. We're gonna swap handcuffs.
Y'all already done had me arrested and put me in the wrong facility. In the wrong part of the jail already for months. So this, no, yeah, and I will. And this time I'll make sure I bring all that shit up and sue the out of y'all.
That's the Kilo 21 unit.
On all 5 of my kids that y'all been keeping me away from.
They park your vehicle in the parking lot so it won't get towed, okay? And the doors are locked.
That's the Kilo 21 unit 10.
Walking all over this town for a whole year while y'all been sitting here pulling up on me for nothing, asking me am I okay.
That's the Kilo
Y'all
21
know
unit.
what's going on. Y'all know exactly what the going on. Patrice Green. Y'all already know my name. I don't want to hear
I
no
don't know
shit.
you. I don't know you. My first time.
You know me. You know exactly who I am.
I don't know you.
He know exactly. You can't talk to him. He know exactly who I am.
How do I know who you are? I've never met you before.
Yo, you met me before.
We got off on the wrong start.
Nah, no, we
got on the wrong
didn't. No, we
foot,
didn't. With this fake ass resisting arrest, when you know I'm talking to you, asking for your badge number, you yanked on me. You
I gave it
turned
to
my
you.
vehicle out and yanked me out of my shit
Yeah,
for
'cause you're
asking for
under
your
arrest.
badge number.
Because you're under arrest.
No,
at
I
that
wasn't
point.
under arrest.
Thank
You yanked me under arrest because I asked you for your badge
I
number,
told you
Officer
under
Joseph.
arrest. Okay.
You made me under
See,
arrest
you
because
know
I
my
asked
name.
for you.
You know my
yeah,
name.
because you
Yeah.
gave it to me.
Okay,
And
'cause
I
you
don't know
asked
your
for it.
badge number.
35206.
I need it. Oh, it's gonna be on my paperwork now. Don't worry, I got you.
35306.
That's all I asked you for, and then you arrested
You want
me.
me to say it slower? 35306.
No, you don't have to say it slower for him. Don't talk for him.
That's the Kilo
Patrice, do you have anything?
28.
I don't have
Is there
anything on me, and I didn't even want him touching me and touching on me.
Okay.
He searched me already, and he wasn't even supposed to touch on me. I didn't feel comfortable with him even touching all on me.
Okay, man.
I done been abused by y'all already,
You can just step right up.
and I'm
there.
suing the y'all.
All right, let me see. I hope you
I can help you.
I hope I do too.
I can help you.
The city.
Kilo 22.
This city.
Hotel, Mike Hotel.
Y'all ain't did shit but badger me and whole life up and keep me away from my 5 children. And I've been homeless, busting my ass. Now I'm about to lose my
Good luck to you, ma'am.
for y'all shit, for y'all acting asses. No good luck to you. I hope you lose your job, both of y'all.
Thank you, man.
Wipe your shit out.